Would you like to know 3 simple steps to improve your drawing? In today's video, I will show you these quick and easy techniques, and you can apply them straight away. Draw lightly and have a good eraser handy. Be light with your mark making until you have the framework of your drawing laid down and you're ready to put the light and shadow into your work. Accept that you will be rubbing out. It's a correction, it's not a mistake, and it's a normal part of the process of drawing. If realism is your goal when you're drawing, heavy outlines around your work will automatically make it two-dimensional and flat. There are no actual lines in nature. It really is where two edges meet. So to give that impression of coming out of the paper that realism gives, avoid outline. Look at the larger shapes of what you're drawing first and then put some key lines in to begin with. When you are drafting the framework of your drawing, start with some key vertical lines and horizontal lines. And look at the larger shapes of what you see before you move on to the smaller shapes and eventually the details last. I need this key horizontal line to get the ellipse of the pot that I'm drawing with these plants, to get that correct. Drawing in this order will help you investing too much time and effort into one particular area of your drawing and then finding that it's incorrect. And then you don't want to rub it out because it looks really good. So think big shapes first, then details later when you have mapped out where you are going with your drawing. Use a range of pencils, tools and papers and choose good quality materials. Don't expect one pencil to do everything for you, except for maybe a black one. That's why people love using them. But if you're looking to get dark tones, then use soft graphite pencils or charcoal like I'm using here. If you want to do character sketching or architectural drawing, then you use a hard pencil that doesn't smudge so much. You will find your favourite pencil as you keep drawing with different materials. When I first started to draw, I thought that paper was paper. But now I've found that good paper is an absolute joy to draw on, and good quality materials are an absolute joy to draw with. So remember, use good quality materials and give yourself the opportunity to succeed at your drawings. So there are the 3 ways that you can improve your drawing. Draw lightly and have a good eraser handy. Look at the larger shapes of what you're drawing first and put some key lines in. And use good quality materials. If you use those 3 steps, you will see an immediate improvement in your work.